Hi, dietetic professionals. This is a quick update. March is National Nutrition Month, and I'm guessing by now that you have noticed that there are many activities that nutrition professionals put out via the internet on healthy eating and activities associated with Natural Nutrition Month. Now that you've explored some of the bloggers in the discussion forum, I also want to bring up another point about being a nutrition expert. And once you are credentialed, and you'll see that process in chapter 7 and 8, and you join the Academy for Nutrition and Dietetics, that association does provide a evidence-based library. So the information that you put on the internet as a nutrition expert has a scientific backed, evidence-based theory. And that's really important because that's really one of the main things that separate a professional from uh, a myth-based or nutrition-based person with little or no background or knowledge. So I encourage you to keep investigating the internet and look at the credentials and the information that professionals place on the internet. And then also I placed some National Nutrition Month activities via Twitter. And Twitter is a way to hook up via Twitter chats and then follow along on their blogs or whoever's placing information on that Twitter chat. So there's information there. You also may be able to pick up some volunteer activities or resume builders in either one of those spots, looking at blogging, looking at the Twitter chats. Also, I do place information in the announcement section about volunteer activities that are going on campus or in the Metro Phoenix area. We have about 1 month left of this course, and we do have a traditional spring break coming up, not this week but next week. And I would encourage you, though, to make sure that you have started on your final project. That final project is due April 6th. And please don't wait to the last minute to connect with a dietetic professional to do that first part of that project, and that's interviewing a professional in the area. Sometimes it's hard to connect, and you need to give that some time. I have placed some links and suggestions on how to do that in the assignment. That's the first part, probably the most important part to get started early. The other two is a thank you note, and then the last part of that activity is a reflection of your career choice and the professional industry as a whole. So I'd encourage you to get started early with that. If you have some questions, I'll be available on virtual office hours tonight from 8 to 9, and again tomorrow, no, 9 to 10 on Sunday nights, and again tomorrow morning from 8 to 9. See you in cyberspace.